Kwesi, let me repeat. In crassism, crass of the highest order. I say yanti tini paba. Ena, enra. Ye the highest form of exhibition. In crassism pa. Say biota frache. Nipa dase niba amfa training biemu. Say yanti te wo fie. Amfa tete pabia and shell. Oba besia. Permit me to take off my mask.
I'm thinking on the behalf.
Say Oba besia. Benya airtime. Aso video.
Data.
Describing the nyanko ba. Sebiota frache na say and saying the most vulgar words about it. Ebejina ha can say and now she won't do that and I want shedder. I am so disappointed in her. Women in our role models. Women in our role models. Na se mema ne kani enyo mo ku. Now this is the time I hear bisa for inclusion of a man in things we are doing now. This is how you decide to disgrace yourselves. This is how you decide to disgrace yourself. Ben maybe ne ko kan sem na no kan yanka. Ube hu dedi a ye beye wo krom ha. Ube hu dedi a ye beye wo krom ha. Ojina ho justifying the fact say muni obi papa na eda na nipa ne papa akacha o say wonyanko ba ye say ne hu ye say ne hu ye say, and you are proudly saying this to the world. You may have deleted those videos, but only God knows where they have ended up. And every time we'll be digging up anything to do with Miss Bell, no, these are the things that will come up. How dare her disgrace all women? Mary.
One day.
Sometimes when you see the kind of girls that make them go on their knees, it hurts.
Why did she make the man go on his knees?
Don't put anybody in this subject. I'm saying, hold on, relax. I have been with a girl who was dating Sikani Padio Kumasi. And if I see the way the girl controls that man, and I check the boy that controls that girl, so boy need pass a girl it new control says Sikani way out. Who says when you get my point?
He who makes the woman.
No, you get my point.
He who makes
there are
the
certain
woman
people. No, there are people that. I'm sorry for these words. You've used, overused, and even spat on, and they are the same people that people you look at to mellow in front of. It hurts.
No, that's.
Let me find an example. No, with apologies. Ebia me more like what no, what time like me use you, but you still. I said, that's my pressure.
But there's something somewhere
hold on. Me if I want you, my use you, I did not tear so.
Hey, you've made your point.
But I said apologies.
But Matthias, you couldn't.
Then
we take your winning. Hey, yeah, woman.
Me, I didn't me looking at to this man. Me bump bia, me tap into his blessing. Now me kwa share no mum. A book to you and son on ya. Dear, not me use you say no. It hurts.
No, it's like in this world, somebody has something that the other doesn't. The one who has money is probably old and doesn't have the ability to do it. The one who has the ability to doesn't have the money. It's maybe I will be to see maybe. No,
but yeah. So if you have been in that shoe before, you understand what I'm saying. So it makes you feel say na say cry and buy and wabo. You can say buy and wabo here because I dey use to jai. I say buy hobe patch on. Sadia na papa we are me bomb pass me nya ni sira ni bi.
What kind of sense? All mistake in the sense say girl ya also we use me. Ubekom na sikeni bi so girl ah. We use now penny bill. I think I also
no, these are girls within your age. They are younger than the people you are talking about.
I know that.
And they have no right controlling the people you are talking about. And then now they are controlling them. The same thing you have used and abandoned, they are buying houses for this same thing.
There is nothing like older than. Or like the moment I will say I know your uncle father. The moment you and I knew one danger, there is nothing called uncle and father again. You my baby. You my boo, stop bragging. You know you want to hit. But all I'm saying is, Barney Bema who one day who saw a big man, Well, worry. I mean, there is nothing called that or honorable. No, you my baby.
But the point I'm
once I
making is that
breastfed you,
when these people say, oh, before I made me do better 2 screens, so I'm more popular to get that bigger market, I need to take my share. I think I should understand them now.
Because Uber exposing the girl to big
because
men.
you place them on that bigger platform for them to attract such big money, and they come and then they misbehave like that. Then I need to take my share before I put you there.
But why making it look like?
No, and now I'm beginning to understand.
Now, saying you'll be an order to have the only big man there.
No, most of them.
Okay.
Most of them, which I feel say, now I understand. Especially, I have to agree with Bulldog, who says, "Oh, Ben manage you are this were three answer." And I have to agree with so many filmmakers.
Bulldog reason or day man, I know who reason in your.
And I have to agree with so many filmmakers who say, main for Bawi Mame Sini, no man star that not only attracting big clients, now on disrespecting me. But so long as you may use now what do that level. Now unyam pay for book to do an answer. When you see me still, you mellow. And I have few people in this industry. When they see me some few people in this industry almost show me. They can't come close to me.
Because you know why?
No, because of how I've treated them before. They can't come close to me.
Because you more treated them before.
Because of how I treated them.
How did you treat them?
Thank you very much.
How did you treat them?
Story.
Who can't say how did you treat them?
Next story.
Well, next story, baby. How did you treat them?
Next story.
Watch that's so one. Hola. And when never tell the cankai. Pato is there also the Yvonne now.
So ask me the question.
Honorable, so Ghanaians are saying that this government condones violence because you haven't done anything about the Ayawaso West Wagon scuffle that happened. What do you have to say about that?
What did the report say? The white paper. I mean, what was the recommendation?
People are saying that the gentleman who
slapped the MP?
Who slapped the MP has not been put to justice.
Yeah, but the punishments are all listed in the report. The report has the recommendation.
Honorable,
do you have the recommendation?
What are you doing about
Do you have the recommendation?
Okay, my funny thing is, before you said that, you said your last question. So let me give you this final one. But you know, I think he just where we get here. What said that? Papa didn't answer question. Okay, the minister that the honorable lady, this is the grand say, I brother more any days. That's a recommendation. You know who himself come back down or honorable from the layman's point of view. What are you doing about the gentleman? Let's think about the Ghanaian who doesn't know anything about recommendation or what have you done about it? Put it to him.
No, but with the brofuna Wokano, could you have come down to that layman?
Okay, maybe honorable, from the layman's point of view, what are you going to do about the Ayawaso West Wagon violence?
Yes, I want to answer the layman, but the way you are
I am
speaking,
sitting in here for the layman, honorable. That is why I am the voice for the voiceless.
English. The layman doesn't do what you are doing.
The layman understands English.
So they do this honorable. The layman doesn't speak.
But they understand this honorable. No, so I what you answer. They quiet. They must have.
About it to corner.
Yeah. Maybe I was born. I don't know what day. I had a good man as a cat. And I only really information I say. Honorable, you are not being a good Ghanaian. Oh, sorry, I'm done with this interview.
Hey, now you walk out. Why are station?
Let me just karma. And I got out for the unim.
Yeah.
No credit that meaning. Honorable, make a recommendation. Come in my recommendation, mate. No better time to. Then I say to me, something. I recommendation or can you because I
say recommendation.
Oh, did they?
I don't know
better me what was the recommendation of one when any.
I want to
do recommendation business the young woman.
Meanwhile, recommendation.
What's actual? And one is on say, yeah.
No, but you was only asking about. We say after CMC, my committee now, so committee, recommendations of how to handle these things, and no, my find your more or maybe a committee 1 or 2 crimes. It's no so bizarre. Obana say, do you know what the committee did?
Yes.
The recommendations, no man. Are you abreast with it? And I think he was fair in asking that because someone interview me on that. You should read wide, research before you ask me.
Okay.
And think I will be saying, "Kobana research here." Kobaka say yes. Recommendation point 1. As he say point 2. He say we do not see anything concrete about how you want to stop this thing.
But you didn't say, and that's an quantity. Ghana for it, I should be. It's a Ghana liberty recommendation, I think. It's only the sister in the movie. Now, I was an actor. Papa never saw my son with a Wawa boy. I say,
what the other pants on Kadi, you know, when you say the assistant, be who not called.
I want dear and kind one. No,
information is down. Every day, what you press.
Exactly, it's the other one who information wouldn't even dear that lawyer article 1 act fine. They can remember all.
No, they don't remember.
They do.
They said that they have to research.
They make reference.
But
they
most
make
of the time,
yes. It's don't blame Sewa too much. I mean,
who is that? Come on, blame Minister Nana.
Minister, I say Abia because the Juma does on so he's probably abreast with what was done in the recommendation. But Abia on kind of offense.
So
it's one of
yes.
the interview.
So if you're okay,
you also have
so if you're abreast, yes, I say you're abreast. And then we say yes, someone you're moving. Why you're moving? And say, oh, they are being put to justice. And I say, oh, we are taking so.
What did the recommendation ask us to do? I mean, it's a fair question.
Hey,
it's a recommendation. Why didn't the conversation now say?
Well, I mean, I'm in here. Oh, thank you. Hayana miti, me now on Kragoye, and honorable. What is the recommendation? But go for the days you. But we can't come to me. Honorable, so what an A.
Tracy, yeah. Na you tear on one case video or yeah, a moon some more kaya. I think send no crabby and dead to baby. It is either say a rano after senior colleagues and then Kasa one na Kasa. She is trying so to persuade damage control. Because who said, would see video no one Kasa na o say support say Papa no or say sebi you one more food drink into where Jawa be family. Because that statement is very deep.
You see those graphic details.
But also me person me tree am tie for adwene si bibi so. On one can say this so say. On one trace na this so say nya na kokan yo. O say nipa no o say hu ye say, we say. I don't think we jawa wa be fa me. On pe we I know this is so.
That's what you saw no can say. No
Good. Na woni mesbe so kasa no na obisa no say bia ayembia say bia one no kra date bema crop ana and ono so kire mu say onya na dan fo ne mpo onim no na one no kra ni bibi ye kra ye na akanton kwa so one na akotwe ane na akope bema ene na akodi ayi akotwe mpra e wo bema ba kom. So from that detail no it's supposed to tell say asam na nkasa ade chiye no a ebesu na wie no empenumfo bia interview wasan mu supposedly to cool down tempers. Me question is am tie me nyin ni sa sugar daddy no o kire mu say nro anajo o da na chi ma ade chiye no sa papa panim no o kana asam no sa papa panim no pa ya mpa se o ye papa panim and o da awura kito we achi and awura we aso Facebook live. And what did the young man matem and ask why they are in there? Nasa papa penimuno so sebi you make a chance say where Jim for. Yes. Sasa papa penimuno daho. And according to Trace no no say papa ne say where dear Miss Baranya dear into the obayano on ye and papa no momo and Tracy power. Say mammy naho, mammy deaconium and a masha me boxer short white. And a cigarette them in chain and a tosca dasu. And I said, light adasu, anti ye de obey dear. Na akusi says, papa na pacumo ye, or yes, I didn't know. Sebi because about this papa way Jimmy for. Where Jimmy for in the first place. So bet my tronum, sir, mwashe, a railway on an hour back, till. For on an hour back, or seen the baby back daddy, and rock over done in time, my dear chin. So baby daddy, I said, bear my own responsibility, sir. One about who I'll bet my share at a tiakrano, Macrana Bay Penimpa. Na papa penimus out with Tranum, and my young girl way at me at disrespecting the young Kuba, Edinas na yasi adwin wo ho ani sebi emu ahyew ni ntutu a wo mu nam e de ba bontin be kasa asem wo wie na wo da ho na wo say ye a I put the blame on that man say or you totally irresponsible.
Okay. Me that situation no. Now fe yes I accuse you almost say they are embarrassment to the youth. Debi juma na asha ase. Say one na di propose akwa wanya sika. Say o pesika e oba. E na omaba evidence a omoka. Hwe trace say ne okasa. Aso obi on we sa we da. Okasa aso obi o kasa na obi frɛ wo wo mu say calls na e ba ne eye to control you. But me not attempted you.
Oh, because he said me need at them. I mean.
I tolerated the first one from Pandit back on Bacho Baby. What do you
say? If you are respected, who will blow your title?
Yeah, I'm just saying that me and you're not attended.
No, and yet that is what the person is. Mean to me who idea for phone can say tuntum. Nipan sa no tie yan kan no grand young grofo nti say omu sabi omu jimia they feel is a N1 speed run ni sun tino nipa kokwa na oko yet ya kan ne fala o ma bronya nuru omo mu tro SHS no say suban we be pop up na nse ya no no me ye ne aye say ye show business anu man na adani culture yanke tia say ye de ache no de no kan ye de ache no ese mum ye twi nanim ye ntwi nanim do ye no e ye wrong say prostitution adan your friends and PhD utumi frontino but ye kan ye mere mu pa ye constitution is anoma no many be brio ye encourage no e ye wrong against the law etumi me gina e gu fellow oben but me blame my system because ka baby aka video we kura ka say a free system no but ye complaining no ye an ye share video no ye an ye comment wo so say ye nipa ben
It be your data.
nti ye nya omo no munye so say ye data ye nya omo no munye
Cool down.
wo nkrofo we no nyina ne aka say omo ye celebrate emptiness ne say omo ye celebrate purpose dear purpose ene pa mienu we o from pa say ene maishia omo beka dear no beka apart from who jabran no ma we dear futu pa no betumi dia ma mabru no ma na eba no dear futu no betumi dia ma omo bibia ne yeso so bibia mesbel onu no ho de oye no ho abai wa no onu no ho o dear ebeduru anwumre no comments na ekono obe respond obi ntitiye eni umoja mu a wo ye den